Hey everyone, welcome to our digital anatomy printing tutorial. My name is Reut and I'm an application engineer at Stratasys. In this series of videos, I'm going to present to you a few of our many anatomical presets that we have in GrabCAD. Using our anatomical materials in a unique structure for each anatomy, we can mimic the mechanical properties of a variety of anatomies and pathologies. Using custom-made models for each patient, surgeons can practice on the exact organ before surgery. Each patient has a different size of a heart, a different location of a blockage in the vessel, a different bone density, and a different stiffness of a liver. When a doctor treats a broken finger, for example, each break is like a different puzzle. Modeling the patient's specific hand and printing it with the materials that can mimic bone's mechanical properties can help the medical team give the patients the ultimate treatment. You can print your anatomy in different kinds of stiffnesses and practice in suturing, drilling, cutting, stretching, and other mechanical tests. So in this series of videos, I'm going to present to you with a lot of different presets: the blood vessels, the fatty tissues, liver, heart, and bone features, and some other presets. So let's get started.